now, to get a point of view of the government, we are joined by Mr. Shahid Nadeem Baloch, who is the project director of the NR3C, which is the National Response Center for Cybercrime. Thank you for joining us, sir.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Shahid, can you please tell me, the Cybercrime Act is a presidential order. It's not presented or discussed in the cabinet as yet. Why? What might be the reason?
I think as and when it goes to the Parliament, it will become an enactment, an act, and it will come in the form of an act. Till then, the ordinance is there, and hence we are working, registering cases under the ordinance.
Sir, can you briefly explain what is the working of the NR3C and how does it facilitate the general population?
NR3C is a National Response Center for Cybercrime. Basically deals with all kinds of cybercrime, and the Prevention of Electronic Crime Ordinance, PICO, is the main governing law under which we register cybercrime cases and conduct inquiries. We have established a help desk, which was also publicized in the press. We had issued a press release. It has the facility of an email, a landline telephone, a cellular telephone, and a fax line. I can give those numbers, and anybody has any complaint concerning cybercrime, he or she may send it on those numbers.
Sir, can you explain with some specific examples as to what constitutes cybercrime, like the SMS examples?
Well, anything under the PICO, actually speaking, it's cyber and also the electronic equipment like cell phones and the emails through a cell phone, which are the palm tops. And other than that, all crime on the cyberspace can be termed as cybercrime. Most of these pertain to threatening messages, threatening SMS or email messages actually, and some also are fraudulent acts committed through SMS or emails, and also certain complaints regarding obscene messages and emails.
Sir, the Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani told that the Interior Minister Mr. Rahman Malik had acted on his own without consulting the cabinet when he announced the 14 years prison for offending SMS against civilian leadership and the security forces. Can you tell me, how could he do that on his own?
I think if I had made a clarification earlier in this regard, jokes and other comments are it's healthy for a democratic society, and these are a few examples which do not come under PICO.
And sir, lastly, if the government can access our emails, chats, web browsing, everything, then where is the privacy?
Well, we are dealing with cybercrime only. We are not doing any act which will amount to monitoring of chats and other such activities. NR3C is dealing with cybercrime. So whenever a crime is committed and we get a complaint from someone, then we get activated and we register an inquiry or a case if that it requires so.
Thank you for talking to us, Mr. Baloch. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That brings us to the end of the show. But before we go, let me tell you all how you can interact with us on the World Wide Web. We are on Twitter with the hashtag WiredAndActive, so come follow us, tweet with us. Also, if you are on Facebook, then become a fan of our group, namely Wired and Active. And do check us out on YouTube by going to the channel DawnNews Pakistan, where you will find all our previous and latest episodes. Also, we here at Wired and Active will be on dawn.com, so come join in the debate. Lastly, if you have any feedback, any suggestions, do email us at wiredandactive@dawnnews.tv. I'll be back next week on Wired and Active with the news and views of people who matter in cyberspace, and with a topic which affects us all. I'm your host Uwais Mangalwala, telling you all to stay safe online and not to send any SMSs directed against the government. Goodbye.